So how do we actually fix our AULA F75 keyboard not working and not connecting? So this is how I fixed it myself. The first thing you're going to do is to make sure that it's put into pairing mode correctly. So you can see you have two options, either Bluetooth, wired, or the 2.4G, which means the dongle right here, as you can see. And for this tutorial, I'm gonna switch it to Bluetooth here, and I'm going to show you how to connect it now. So basically what we need to do now is to find the FN button here, and then you have three ways to connect it. So FN1, FN2 or FN3. So what do I mean with that? Well, you can actually have up to 3 devices connected at the same time. Let's say that you're already connected to your computer, to your mobile, and you want to connect to another device. Then you would use FN3. For this one, I haven't connected it anywhere yet, so I'm just gonna click on FN and then 1 at the same time here. Click and hold. Keep holding here until you will see this right here start to blink, as you can see. So now on my PC here, I'm gonna show you just by zooming in. You can see it's already detecting it because we can see that in the bottom right corner it says connect, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm gonna click on settings. I'm going to show you the entire setup here instead. Click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add device. Actually, I already have the AULA F. I'm just going to remove it real quick here and then click on add device, click on Bluetooth and click on AULA F75 here, as you can see. It's going to say connecting. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds and your device is ready to go. Perfect. Now you can see totally works without any problems now. But for some of you, this will not be a good enough fix because yeah, it's not gonna fix it for all of you, of course. Well, if it doesn't, then what you can try to do is to click on the FN2, try that, and FN3 as well. If all of that still fails, well then we will need to factory reset our AULA F75 keyboard. And to factory reset it, we need to click on FN button together with the escape button, click and hold for about 3 seconds or until it's gonna start to blink like this. And when it stops blinking here, it means that it's now factory reset. So now you can try once again and hopefully that can also fix it. If that still isn't working, the absolute last resort is to use the cable that you got when you purchased the keyboard. So now take the Type-C end here, plug it into here, make sure to switch this one to wired right here, very important. Then the USB end needs to go to your laptop here or PC as an example, or where you want to connect it to, of course. And good, now the keyboard is connected here, as you can see, to my laptop. So you can see it totally works here as well now without any problems. And yeah, basically that is how you can fix this problem. Hopefully this tutorial will completely fix it for you.